As we celebrate the journey of our school and the success of our students, let us begin today's celebration with all of us singing the school song.
In the last year, our theme was Persevering Forward Bound for 2021. And so I hope that even as I recount some of the things that we have done well to engage our learners and to enrich the lives of our staff, that it will be a bit nostalgic. It will be something that will bring back memories for the students who were with us or are with us still. The area of flourishing with gratitude, it was really again reminding and asking students to think about all the blessings that we have and how we can also be grateful for it and give back to the community.